everyone, I'm Twyla with Natrona County Library, and I'm here to share a take and make craft with you today. It's a craft that we make up. You come in, pick it up, then you take it home and you make it, okay? Today is borax slime. Oh yes, we love slime. And I have my Wonder Woman apron on to protect my clothes because when you make slime, you're gonna feel super, okay? In your package, you will get a set of instructions, a bottle of white glue, a spoon, a little measuring portion cup of borax. That is one of the main ingredients that makes the slime. And that's a half teaspoon already measured out for you. And then you'll also have a portion cup with some glitter in it. You'll also get a spoon, some vinyl gloves, they're not latex, and 2 bowls. Now to get started, first thing you want to do is protect your work surface because you do not want to get grounded the rest of your life. So I have some wax paper here. I'm going to put that down to protect my surface. You could use tin foil, you could use plastic wrap if you want, just something to keep the mess from staining your countertop. So what I'm going to start with is I'm going to turn my hot water tap on because it takes a little while for it to get hot to be able to mix the borax with. You want at least warm water. Cold water doesn't dissolve borax very well, so it works a little bit better if it's warm. So we'll hear rushing water in the back of this for a while. While I'm waiting for that to heat up, I'm going to start with my glue. You just open up your bottle, dump it into one of your bowls. If you do it just right, it makes really weird noises. Check my water here. Nope, it's still pretty cold. So while I'm still waiting for that, I could get my second bowl and I could dump my borax, which is the white powder that you have, into that bowl, getting ready for the hot water. And then I can put some food coloring in with your glue. Just a few drops is all it takes. Then add your glitter. And now my water's ready, yay. So you're going to measure a half a cup of hot water. Okay, you're going to mix that in with your borax. Stir it up and make sure the borax is good and dissolved, which it goes a lot faster with the warm water too. And I'm going to rinse off my spoon just to make sure there's no borax on the spoon. And I'm going to start mixing up my glue mixture. Now glitter tends to sit on top, so you have to really kind of move it around to get it mixed in there. But pretty soon you have this wonderful sparkly, whatever color you're going to put in it. And then you're going to add a cup of cold water. And this is where it can get messy because you can slosh this around. Okay, so now I might go ahead and put my vinyl gloves on at this point because now that we're going to start moving it, mixing it into the slime, your hands are going to end up getting into it. And I'm going to add just about half of that borax mixture. And stir it around, and you should feel it starting to clump up. Keep mixing it. And I don't think I'm going to need any more than that, because as you can see, it's already attached to my spoon. So a few more mixes, and you should be able to pick it up. So I'm going to give it a shot. Aha. And there you have your slime. If it's the right texture, it will drip kind of like hot cheese, but if you pull it apart quickly, it'll snap, just like that. And that's how you get your slime. Now at this point, you can probably take your gloves off and work it with your hands. It's not going to stain as much. And then you can have fun with it. I like to just lift it up and let it ooze down like that, because it looks so cool. You can pull on it gently, it'll still ooze. Or you can snap it apart like that, and then it balls back up. Now if you want something that's a little harder, that doesn't quite ooze as much as that, then you use a little more borax. And to store it, you can just put it in a plastic bag, or maybe an old like cottage cheese container or something that has a lid on it. You don't have to refrigerate it, and it'll last for a long, long time. And it's fun to play with. All right, so have fun. That's it for now. Bye-bye.